Alright guys, well we're back here on the second day of the porch project, and I had to go home and do a little math real quick and figure out how to set up my stringers for the steps. So what I did was I went online to mycarpentry.com and plugged in some numbers to their little calculator they have, and it came out with all kinds of useful information. And so what I decided to do was to take the steps from here all the way up, and then the last step is actually going to be level with the landing, which is what I wanted anyways. I just didn't know how to do it, but they had a really nice explanation and the math and everything to do that. So what I did is I just kind of made a quick little hand drawing there of what I did and took some quick notes. So now that I got all the notches cut, I need to finish off the inside where the circular saw blade couldn't get. So this is gonna clean up that edge, and they'll fall right out. I got all the stringers cut, and I've got them all attached to this piece of wood right here. And the reason I did that is I'd like to be able to get a secure connection between the stringer and the frame, you know, the platform there. But so what I had an idea to go ahead and attach the stringers to this piece of wood, and then I'll just attach this piece of wood to the landing, and then that also helps me keep these straight, and I'll just slide everything in one piece. So what I'm going to do is put another piece of wood all the way at the bottom there, across the bottom, and that'll help me you know, keep everything nice and steady and square for when I put the treads on there. So so yeah, this is how everything turned out. So let's go ahead and get that bottom piece on there. Alright, so what I've done here is I've marked my bottom piece where I want each of the stringers to set, and then I put a nice square line on there so I can make sure I get them, since they move a little bit, make sure I get them exactly where I want them. Alright, well that got all that on there. Now let's see if we can get it attached to this landing right here. I did want to note, I took into account on my math right here that I did that my 10.5 inch run, I took off 1.5 inches to put that board on the very top, so my treads will still come out to be 10.5 inches on the top. Well, I got all the treads put on here and screwed down, and man, this is nice to be able to step up some steps and get onto the landing there and right into the door. So yeah, this turned out really nice. The next thing I'm going to do is get started on the handrails. Don't know if I'm going to do that today, but we'll give it a shot. All right, well, we got all the handrail up and the pickets, and I just haven't put the cap on there, but no big deal. That's just a little 5/4 by 6 deck board that I'm just going to put up there. But anyways, the handrail's up, and the other set of steps are finished over there, and over here we're going to make another set of steps to go down, and they're going to look exactly the same as the ones we just did, so no need to watch that again. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.